Good morning, students. This is a computer class, and in the last class, I had asked you to convert 1101 point or dot 11. This is a binary number, okay, and you had to convert it into equivalent decimal number. So, I had given you different examples and uh, also send you several videos explaining how to convert them. Still you cannot convert them, you have not been able to convert this number, so I have done it for you. Okay, so there it's written you have to convert 101.11 into its equivalent decimal number. Okay, so first you have to convert the number which is before the decimal point, okay, which is 1101. Here I've written first convert 1101. You'll write 1101 and start putting a power above 2. Why? Because you know that binary number consists of only two numbers, 0 and 1. Okay, so its base is 2. So you start with the right hand side. Okay, you start with 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 3, 2 to the power 4. If there were more numbers over here, you would have continued with increasing the power of the base number 2. Okay, so here you have put 2 to the power 0 above 1. Okay, so how will you write it? 1, okay, into 2 to the power 0. Okay, now 1 into 2 to the power 0 is 1, so 1 into 1 will be 1, equal to 1. Now here it is 0, you'll write 0 over here, and above it you have 2 to the power 1. So into you'll write 2 to the power 1. So 2 to the power 1 is 2, but you are multiplying it with 0, so it will be 0. Okay, now here you have got 1, you'll write 1 over here. Now above it you have got 2 to the power 3, so into 2 to the power 3. So what is 2 to the power 3? It's 8. 2 times 2, 3 times is 8. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Okay, now 8 into 1 will be equal to 8. Now again you have got 1 over here, you'll write it down here. Now you have got 2 to the power 4 above this 1. You will multiply it with 2 to the power 4. Now 2 to the power 4 means 2 4 times. Okay, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 4 times. Okay, so 16 into 1 will be equal to 16. So now you will add this up. Okay, 16 plus 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, 24 plus 1 will be 25. Okay, sorry, I have written here 35. Okay, now you have to convert the number which is after the decimal point, which is 1 1. Now convert 0.11. Just write the numbers 1 and 1. So since they are after the decimal point, okay, now you will start giving them power starting with the left hand side. Okay, you will start with 2 to the power minus 1, and similarly 2 to the power minus 2, and if there were more numbers over here you would have written 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power minus 4, and 2 to the power minus 5. You would have continued with it. Okay, so here above 1 you have got 2 to the power minus 2. You'll write 1 into 2 to the power minus 2. So 2 to the power minus 2 can be also written as 1 upon 4. So when you divide 1 by 4, you will get 0.25. I have given this chart already to you in the previous classes. Okay, so 1 upon 4 is equal to 0.25. So you will write 0.25 into 1 is equal to 0.25. Now the next number is 1. Again you have got 2 to the power minus 1 above it. So you will write 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. So how can you write 2 to the minus 1 in fraction? You will write 1 upon 2. Okay. So when you divide 1 by 2, you will get 0.1. You can check this in your calculator. Okay. So 0.5 into 1 will be equal to 0.5. Now you have got 25 from the numbers that were before the decimal point. Okay, so you will write 25 over here. Okay, and you have got 0.25 and 0.5. You will add this up. Okay, first you will add the numbers before the decimal point. 5, you have got 0 below it, so you will write 5, and you have got 2 and there are no numbers over here, so you will write 2 over here. Okay, 25. Okay, point. Okay, you have got 2 and 5. Okay, so 5 plus 2 is 7, and you have got 5 and there are no numbers over here, so you will simply write 5. So 25.75. Thus 1101.11, which is this number, okay, which they had asked you to convert into a decimal point, will put them in bracket and write base 2. Why? Because there are only two numbers or two symbols that represent binary numbers, okay, which is 0 and 1, is equal to, you will write 25, okay, 25.75, we will put them in bracket and write 10. Why? Because this is a decimal number and you have got 10 decimal numbers from 0 to 9. Okay, so the base is 10. Okay, now the next type of conversion they are asking in your book is to convert decimal number to binary number. Okay, so they have written, to convert a decimal number into a binary number, follow the given steps. Here they have given you the steps. The first one is divide the decimal number by 2 continuously. You are going to divide continuously the number, okay, decimal number by 2. Okay, after each division write the remainder on the right hand side. After each division you have to write the remainder at the right hand side. Okay, arrange the remainder from bottom to top. Now you have got to arrange the remainder from bottom to top. There is some mistake in this example A. Okay, so we are going to first do this example, which is number 16. Okay, now in B they have given number 16. Okay, now first what they are saying, divide the decimal number by 2 continuously. So you are going to divide the decimal number by 2 continuously. Okay, (16) can be divided by 2 by how many numbers? By what? By which number? 2 8s are 16. Okay, so when you divide 16 by 2 with 8, you have got 16. So there are no remainders. So you'll write 0 over here. Now when you divide 8 by 2, by which number will it be divided? 4. 2 4s are 8. Again, you've got no remainder over here. So you'll write 0 again. Now the next number is 4. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. Again, you have got no remainder over here. Now 2 1s are 2. Still no remainder. So you'll write 0 over here. Okay. Now again you have to divide 1 by 2. Okay. So 2, you cannot divide 1 by 2. So you'll write 0 over here. Okay. And write the remainder over here. Okay. So now they've asked you, after each division, write the remainder on the right hand side. We have written the remainder on the right hand side. Okay. Now they have asked you to arrange the remainder from bottom to top. Now you have to arrange the remainder from bottom to top. So thus you'll write 16, which is a decimal number, so it has base 10. Okay. And again open a bracket and start writing the numbers from bottom to top. 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, there are 4 zeros over here. Close the bracket and write base 2. Why? Because this is a binary number. Okay. Now over here they have asked you to convert the decimal number into binary number equivalence. Okay. So the first number over here is 8. You can do it. 26 can also be divided by 2 easily. Okay. You can also do it. Now there is 47. Okay. I'll do the number 47 for you. Okay. Now this is from the practice portion. Okay. And they've given 47 as a decimal number, and you have to convert it into a binary number. Okay. Again you draw a line over here and start dividing with 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Now 2 3s are 6. Okay. Now you have got a remainder 1 over here. So write 1 over here. 7 minus 6 is 1. So you have got 1. Again you'll write 2 1s are 2. Again 2 1s are 2. Okay. Again 3 minus 2 is 1. So you have got 1 remainder over here. So you will write 1 over here. Now you have got 11. So 2 5s are 10. Okay. 2 5s are 10. Again you have got 1 remainder over here. So you will write 1 over there. Now 2 2s are 4. Now again you have got 1 as a remainder. You'll write at the right hand side. 2 1s are 2. You've got no remainder over here. Okay. Again you have to divide 1 by 2, which cannot be divided by 2. So you'll write 0 over here and bring this 1 as a remainder over here. Okay. Now you have to start writing from bottom to top in order to write the answer as a binary number of this decimal number. So you'll write thus 47, okay, which is a decimal number. So you'll write base as 10 is equal to 1 0, and there are 1 2 3 4 ones. 1 1 1 1 with the base 2. Why? Because this is a binary number.